The last 24 hours before an exam is where most students panic and ruin everything. But if you handle this time correctly, your marks can actually increase. So listen carefully. The first rule is simple. Do not start a new chapter. New topics at the last moment create confusion, not confidence. Another big mistake students make is studying the whole night. No sleep means weak memory and silly mistakes in the exam. Instead, start by scanning your full syllabus once. Mark the chapters you are already strong in and then identify weak but important topics. This single step brings clarity and control. Now revise only what you've already studied. Focus on formulas, definitions, key points, and solved examples. Use short focused study sessions instead of long tiring hours. Solve a few previous year questions, not to finish the paper, but to understand where you make mistakes. Remember, mistakes teach more than reading notes. Stop studying 1 to 2 hours before sleep. Do only light revision at night. Keep your phone away and let your mind relax. Proper sleep is not optional. It's necessary. A rested brain performs better than an exhausted one. On exam morning, just revise short notes or formulas. No panic and no comparison with others. Confidence comes from preparation. You don't need to know everything, you just need to perform well with what you know. Stay calm, trust yourself, and all the best for your exam. Before you sleep, remind yourself of one thing: you've done your part. Stress won't add marks, but a calm mind will. Take a deep breath, trust your preparation, and let go of fear. Have this one line in your life: do your best, the God will do the rest.